Sing Mr. Pumpkin's song, Kate. Sing it, Kate.
Come on, sing the Mr. Pumpkin song.
Mr. Pumpkin, Mr. Pumpkin.
She's working now.
Eyes so round, eyes so round.
Mr. Pumpkin, eyes so round. Halloween is coming, Halloween is coming to my town, to my town.
Yay.
You know, you don't make much money as a builder if you eat the materials, Kate.
Oh,
Is it good though?
Make sure that she doesn't work in your new house,
Yeah.
Jenny.
I can't.
Yeah, it's out the other end. There you go. There, it's this thing. Yeah. Please.
There you go. Oops.
Oops, sorry about that.
Oops.
Sorry about that.
Sorry about that. Yeah.
I swore at my mommy on the table.
There, Mommy fixed it.
Mommy's the best.
Good, Mommy.
Here, lick my finger.
Oh.
I can see it now.
Who needs a nummy when you can have a mummy with icing on her fingers?